Sometimes, we are in a state of hypoxia without being conscious of it, while long-time hypoxia will cause serious harm to human body. As a result, monitoring blood oxygen saturation level is essential for sports enthusiasts and aviation practitioners. In today's video, we will share 3 best pulse oximeters in USA under 40. Watch till the end and get the best deal for you. 3 best pulse oximeters under 40. 1. Jumper Fingertip Pulse Oximeter. Blood oxygen saturation monitor with portable OLED display. This device can quickly read saturation levels and pulse rate in seconds, with accurate measurements within plus or minus 2%. 4 directions and 6 display modes, with color LED screen. Receive pulse rate, blood SpO2, heartbeat signal, and pulse strength results within seconds. You can obtain the data more convenient by rotating the display in 4 ways. Jumper Fingertip Pulse Oximeter is ideal for sports enthusiasts such as biker, mountain climbers, skiers, aviators, or anyone interested in measuring their SpO2 and pulse rate while on the move. Easy to use, portable compact size for using at home or outdoor. Automatically power off when no signal. For more information, please check the link in description. 2. Pulse Oximeter Monitor JKS700A. This Bluetooth pulse oximeter is crafted by this manufacturer under the hospital grade, at the best accuracy and stability level. Blood oxygen and heart rate accuracy at plus minus 1%, even under frequent movement and low perfusion situation. This device shows pulse bar graph and plethysmograph waveform, which shows visual indication of the irregular or weak heartbeat. Unlimited data storage on cloud through app for meaningful results that you can track over time and share with family or doctor for diagnostic reference without a step out of home. OLED display screen with adjustable brightness for both indoor and outdoor environment. Auto power off after 5 seconds. This delicate Bluetooth pulse oximeter comes with 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. What's more, you can return your undamaged product within 30 days to receive a full refund for any reason. Order from the description below. 3. Innovo Deluxe Pulse Oximeter. An affordable fingertip pulse oximeter with plethysmograph and perfusion index. Accurate and reliable, consistently beat other pulse oximeter during clinical tests. Improved with internal hardware and software upgrades that boost performance. The latest version of the IP900AP model features an auditory alarm to warn you when your SpO2 and pulse rate are beyond set limits. Easy to use, portable adjustable display brightness, suitable for sport enthusiasts, aviators, or any fitness lovers. Check the link in description below for more information.